put to good use my fondness for cakes. The t-shirt said, Tommy Goatsy, do you want to be in this ticket? No, thanks.
Hey!
Less than an hour, you can.
Hey!
This'll make it for chocolate coins. Coworkers get to know him, if that's something you desire. It's fun to speculate on different scenarios. All right. Now these are, each one is